As per the most recent long-haul gauge, Solana cost will hit $500 toward the finish of 2024 and afterward $800 by the center of 2025. Solana will ascend to $1,000 inside the time of 2028, $1 in 200 in 2030, $1D 500 in 2032, $2,000 in 2034, and $2,200 in 2035. Solana value expectation 2024-2025. Solana cost began in 2024 at $101.192. Today, Solana exchanged at $115.88, so the cost expanded by 14% from the very start of the year. The Guach Solana cost toward the finish of 2024 is $517, and the year-to-year change plus 407%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 346%. In 2024, we hope to see $293 per 1 Solana. In the main portion of 2025, the Solana cost will move to $781. In the last part, the cost would add $36 and close the year at $817, which is plus 605% to the ongoing cost. Solana expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Solana cost would move from $817 to $1,201, which is up 47%. Solana will begin 2026 at $817, then take off to $852 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $889. That implies plus 667% from today. Solana expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Solana cost would ascend from $1,201 to $2,211, which is plus 84%. Solana will begin 2031 at $1,201, then take off to $1,3024 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $1,451. It is about plus 152% from today. 2s and 1-2s into 4. Solana value forecast 2024-2025. Solana cost began in 2024 at $101.92. Today, Solana exchanged at $94.71, so the cost diminished by 7% from the very outset of the year. The Guach Solana cost toward the finish of 2024 is $423.37, and the year-to-year change plus 315%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 347%. In 2024, we hope to see $239.77 per 1 Solana. In the principal half of 2025, the Solana cost will move to $639.49. In the last part, the cost would add $29.50 and close the year at $668.99, which is plus 606% to the ongoing cost. Solana expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Solana cost would move from $668.99 to $983.56, which is up 47%. Solana will begin 2026 at $668.99, then take off to $697.40 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $727.50. That implies plus 668% from today. Solana expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Solana cost would ascend from $983.56 to $1,809.05, which is plus 84%. Solana will begin 2031 at $983.56, then, at that point, take off to $183.98 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2031 at $187.73. It is about plus 154% from today. 0.115 into 4. Solana value expectation 2024-2025. Solana cost began in 2024 at $101.92. Today, Solana exchanged at $95.60, so the cost diminished by 6% from the very outset of the year. The estimated Solana cost toward the finish of 2024 is $13.48, and the year-to-year change plus 796%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 855%. In 2024, we hope to see $372.85 per 1 Solana. In the primary portion of 2025, the Solana cost will drop to $822.73. In the last part, the cost would add $114.60 and close the year at $37.33, which is plus 880% to the ongoing cost. Solana forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring a critical increment. Solana cost would move from $937.33 to $2,509.46, which is up 168%. Solana will begin 2026 at $99.3733, then, at that point, dip to $99.2140 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $820.31. That implies plus 758% from today. Solana forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Solana cost would rise altogether from $2,509.46 to $8,218.1, which is plus 227%. Solana will begin 2031 at $2,509.46, then take off to $2,994.62 inside the primary portion of the year and finish 2031 at $3,356.39. It is about plus 411% from today. Sharuns1204. Solana value forecast 2024-2025. Solana cost began in 2024 at $101.92. Today, Solana exchanged at $101.93. So the cost diminished by 0% from the very start of the year. The determined Solana cost toward the finish of 2024 is $9,975 and the year-to-year change plus 857%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 856%. In 2024, we hope to see $398 per 1 Solana. In the principal half of 2025, the Solana cost will drop to $878. In the final part, the cost would add $122 and close the year at $1,000, which is plus 881% to the ongoing cost. Solana expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring a huge increment. Solana cost would move from $1,000 to $2,676, which is up 168%. Solana will begin 2026 at $1,000, then at that point, dip to $983 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $875. That implies plus 758% from today. Solana forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Solana cost would rise essentially from $2,676 to $8,764, which is plus 228%. Solana will begin 2031 at $2,676, then at that point take off to $3,193 inside the main portion of the year and finish 2031 at $3,579. It is about plus 411% from today. 12,150,2023. Solana value expectation 2023-2024. Solana cost began in 2023 at $9.99. Today, Solana exchanged at $75.49. So the cost expanded by 656% from the very outset of the year. The estimated Solana cost toward the finish of 2023 is $96.69 and the year-to-year change plus 868%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 28%. In the principal half of 2024, the Solana cost will move to $188.29. In the last part,